So you can see we're still at the same zone as yesterday, pretty much in this level. Yesterday we took this trade here, caught literally the perfect, all 50 points before it reversed, and then it failed to break out here on the buys, and then it actually made the real move. So we caught the only breakout during the open. And then just to give a little more explanation why I took sells right here is because while yes we were, let's see if we look at the 15-minute, yes we have an uptrend going on here, but I don't really care about that much. I care mostly about what's happening here, right? From one point like that to this point like that. That's usually what I care, and that's what I trade in. And that was telling me bearish, so the very next move could likely be a bearish move to retarget this. If we look here, we're pretty much in the same zone, so I would go ahead, I'm gonna put an uptrend here. I would take sells a little bit closer here like this. If we have our pre-session high and lows marked out, pre-market high here, and then we can target this mid zone for 50 points. If we take sells here, it's because we're breaking this bearish trend line and we're entering an Asia lows. So I'll go ahead and put my sells now already. Non-tradable SIM. That's weird. I'm not sure why you're getting that. Okay, and then my buys would be up here. Put the buys already now. Again, I don't want to enter here because that's not really going with our strategy in terms of entering on any pre-market higher lows. It's an hourly zone. I would enter there if our entries were very far, but they're not that far. So we are still, they're still valid where they are. They're not super far away. If we had the only session here and then the only one up here somewhere really far, then okay, if I had to choose any of these zones, I would choose the 1 hour zone. But from where it's at, it's at a pretty good spot. Damn, my copier is all disconnected, bro. Whatever. I'm not gonna have time to set all this. Okay, market just opened. it's making me add almost all my connections again. Stream paused. Can you see it? See it now? Okay. Let me know if it pauses again. Probably gonna get put into these cells right here. Yeah, I'm in the cells. Again, all I want is 50 points. That's all the market has been really giving us. Once we're like halfway, we break that momentum here. That's when I would go break even. Come on. Okay, we gotta take out this wick right here. Okay, there we go, there we go. And we gotta keep pushing. Damn, it was pretty... Okay, I'm gonna go break even, because that was pretty close to TP. Probably gonna get taken out break even here. But look at this big rejection here, and it was about halfway. So yeah, take me out of break even. Cause I rejected from here. Yeah, 35 points. That's it. No, I think now it'll hit TP. But whatever, I'm out of the trade. If you guys are holding, it might hit it now. Yeah, it looks like it might actually hit it now. Wow. Yeah, broke right through it. Damn. Might have gone break even too early, but again, that's just what the market's been doing. At like 30 points, it reverses. Wow, now it's giving more points. Okay. Wonderful. Oh well. Well, I'm done for the day. Got me at a break even. Still at a green week. I wasn't even able to copy all my accounts, so I don't really care. Wow, now it has a clean. Look at this. It's nice. Sub-Zero got it. Okay. Now a clean 100 points. I haven't seen that in forever. It's actually a clean break. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, this open actually wasn't too bad. Market might actually be getting a little bit better. Look, we just had two clean candles, really. Look at the 5-minute. Just one clean candle. Rejected off this line perfectly, broke the trend line. So market might actually be moving a little bit better. But yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna lock my account. I'm not gonna get FOMO and chase this after this. Probability is gonna go down. So probably it's gonna fake out, and who knows what it's gonna do after. That's not how I trade. But yeah, guys, we'll be back tomorrow. For those who caught it, good job. For those that went break even, still good job. You were protecting your capital. Because remember that habit. Yeah, if you got taken out break even today and it hit TP, that's fine. But that habit tomorrow or next time or next week, it's gonna save you. And it's saved us before plenty of times. So keep up those good habits, and yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Later, everybody.